This is tablet IDV 2C, or level 3 of the Ingfield Dynamic Vocabularies. You can see again we're using the same consistent layout. We've now gone to an 8x6 grid, so that's 8 columns by 6 rows, but we're still using a lot of the same major topics. We've added in some additional pages again, but the main changes are the vast increase in content, and we're now starting to use more sideways links and pop-ups. So as we come into our body parts page, as well as having all our social terms across the bottom, we have a link to a social pop-up, which is a lot of preset messages. So this is a quick way of getting to speech, and this will, whenever I do a message, automatically take me back to my previous page, and then either use that as part of a message, or I can speak it, or I can clear it. I've also got links to additional sentence starters, so whilst I've got all my sentence starters across here, I can sort of link into a range of common sentence starters. And I've also got the same links to numbers and additional vocabulary on the topic item I'm in. So as well as having all my body parts, I've also got additional body parts. So I've got a lot more parts of the body available, and in more detail, so down to tooth, teeth and mouth here. And if I go back, you can just see I've got mouth and teeth, so I've gained tooth, and that's same in the same way as I've gained finger and so on. And again, as I go through, I'm still using the same consistent colour coding, and I've got lots of sideways links, lots of pop-up links, so you can see that bodies, parts and descriptions and feelings are all interlinked, along with pronouns, so I can say my or your, and link in about my family, and also link in a whole host of other pages. But I'm still maintaining that same key vocabulary, that same key layout of working down the page, building messages with the most common items that I want to use in the left hand column. So I might say, I think I'm happy, or you're sad, or something similar. We're also starting to use indicators on our symbols now. So we've got a declension here, which is a future indicator, which is I would be, and you can see here we're using a red arrow pointing towards the future in order to do that. But at the same time, as we go into my special pages, you can see we've still got our books and our fun pages and everything else. We've just got more detail. One thing I didn't show you earlier was the games, so we can go off and play things like I Spy and Simon Says and Snap, and hopefully have some fun playing it at the same time.